Catboy! Owlet! Gecko!
Power Heroes! PJ Masks with the PJ Masks. PJ Masks and the Power Heroes.
Into the night they go. They're bigger, they're better, they're the Power Heroes. Into the night to save the day. So many more to show you the way. Jumping, climbing, flying far. Into icy worlds and out to the stars. Cause
Nighttime is the right time to fight time.
Nope, I still can't think of a rhyme.
PJ Masks with the PJ Masks. PJ Masks, Power Heroes!
Luna, the sun girl. You have defeated me this time, Bastet, but I will be back. And by the claws of Cleopatra, I will be waiting. Meow. Bastet, sorry we didn't get here sooner. I have no need of help. It is my destiny to battle Pharaoh Boy, the greatest of villains.
I don't know about greatest.
All the other villains are, how do we say it in ancient Egypt? Easy. Other villains? Easy? Whoa, look at that!
When Coach sees this, he'll have to pick me for the team.
I'm not sure that's gonna impress him.
Just because you're good at soccer doesn't mean you'll be good at basketball.
It's like Bastet. She thinks that because she can handle Pharaoh Boy, she can tackle any villain.
I get your point.
Yippee!
Well, whatever mission she gets tonight, we'll be there to help. PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave new band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day.
Catboy! Gecko! Owlet! Lilyfay! Ice Cub! And you! Newton Star! Bastet!
PJ Masks, Power Heroes!
Tonight's mission? It's busy.
Catboy and I will deal with Romeo. Bastet, why don't you come with us?
Thank you, but battling these smaller villains would be a waste of my cat powers.
The thing is, Bastet, you may know soccer balls, but you need to know basketballs and tennis balls.
This is no time for games. I must search the city for Pharaoh Boy. Sundisk, rise!
What?
Huh? Where is that villain of the sand?
Watch, Mothies. I'm gonna lift up these buildings and fly them to the moon. I'll build a lunar city! Ah! Oh, my moon magnet isn't powerful enough!
I'll find you, Pharaoh Boy!
Ugh, sunlight. Whoa, that sunbeam supercharged my moon magnet. I wonder... Yes, it works, it works! Not. I need that sun disk. But I need to borrow something from the museum first.
Grrr! I have searched the whole city, and there is no sign of my foe.
Hi. I hear you're looking for Pharaoh. I think I know where he is.
You are Luna, the moon girl. Why should I believe you?
Well, I think he dropped that.
Huh? By the mummies and meow. A tablet of Ra. Show me where he is. But be warned, I have conquered the mighty Pharaoh Boy. So if this is a trick, I will easily defeat you.
Got it! This way!
Magnificent! He must be nearby.
By the trees! Quick! Your sun disk!
I have you now, Pharaoh boy! Huh? What's this?
It's a trap! Now, Moppies!
What? Ugh! Suffering sphinxes! Be gone! Return my sun disk at once!
Oh, no!
Huh?
It's my sun disk now!
I don't think so. I'll just summon it with my magical bracelets. Huh?
You're in a moon bubble. It blocks your magic. Now, if you'll excuse me... I've got the power of the moon and the sun!
Your bubble will never hold a hero like Bastet.
Ha! Nothing can stop me! Whoa!
What? Where did she? Hello? Hello?
I can teleport! Sun, moon power, yay! Now, let's see if this works. Yes! City on the moon, coming soon.
By the claws of Cleopatra. How could this happen?
Okay, so we turn the robots back into statues. But I'm not so sure about that one.
Come on, he's always been like that.
Huh? That doesn't look good. Come on! Hey, put that down!
Let me think for a moment. No!
This won't take long. Super cat stripes. Huh?
Missed. Ha! Sun and moonbeam. Too good. Dazzling, you might say. Sun, moon power. You can sit and watch while I steal the city.
How did she get so powerful?
There's a small chance that I may be a little responsible. You? I thought if I can defeat Pharaoh, I can defeat anyone. But I wasn't ready for Luna.
Yeah, I thought because I'm good at soccer, I'd be good at basketball.
I underestimated Luna. I made a terrible mistake.
It's okay. Thanks for telling us. It's important to admit when you've made a mistake. But I don't think Luna knows that. She just wants more and more power.
Lots more power.
Maybe we can use this to defeat her. Come, destiny awaits!
All set to build my city.
I am mightily impressed.
Huh? Meow. Oh, it's you.
And you did it with only half the sun disk's power.
Yeah, it was easy. Wait, half? I can be more powerful?
Oh, yes. I know a spell to double the power of the sun disk.
Cast it.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Now.
Oh, okay. But I need to whisper it.
This sounds like a trick.
It is too late for tricks. You are already so powerful.
Well, okay, cast your spell.
From the desert's deep thirst, may my sun powers burst.
It's working! It's working! Ah! No!
Gotcha! Wait a minute. I can't fly!
Yeah! No! Nice try, Bastet. But the disc is... I'm free! Give that back!
I am here. Not there.
Stop! Hey, come back!
Missed again. Here. Nope. Here. You seek sun power? Here it is.
Too bright! Too bright!
Great job, Bastet. Now there are 2 villains you know how to defeat.
And now it is my destiny to defeat them all.
Let's just take it one at a time, shall we?
A little help here?
Thanks for the help, Newton. That's the last of them.
Thank you all. I have learned much today. I just have one question. Has that statue always been standing like that?
We'll fix it. PJ Masks Power Heroes, I'll shout hooray!
'Cause in the night, we saved the day! Cats on wheels! We've got you now, kitty cat. Leave that cat alone. Sun Disc, rise!
Meet the Sun Cat, Bastet.
You won't get away with this!
That was awesome. You were awesome. Cats rule. You did good, buddy.
Thank you. Ha! The Sun Chariot, the fastest vessel on wheels. When I rode it, I won 5 Sphinx Cups.
You like fast? You should check out my cat cars. I've got 2 fastest cars in the city.
Do they fly by sun power?
No. More like cat speed. A few other differences. Catapult, fur balls, onboard music system. But speed, that's the main thing. Huh? Bastet? You should have seen Night Ninja's face when Bastet used her sun disc. Yeah!
You two are really getting along.
It's true. Although, she did suddenly disappear last night. She was showing me the sun.
Oh no! How did these car racing books end up in the ancient Egypt section?
Huh? Go, go, go racing? Famous sports cars.
Maybe this is where Bastet disappeared to.
She came here to read about how to drive. You may need to help her with that. I think she wants to learn.
Okay. Got it. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to teach Bastet to drive.
Night in the city, and a brave new band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day.
Cat Boy!
Get go! Owlette! Lily Faye! Ice Cub! And you!
Newton Star!
Bastet! PJ Masks, Power Heroes!
Okay, tonight's big mission is teach Bastet how to drive.
Ha! But how did you guess this was my desire?
You were reading this.
But you don't need it. You've got me. Just, take it slowly at first. Don't want any scratches.
We are cats. Scratches are what we do. I joke.
Okay then. To the cat cars.
Power Heroes shout hooray! Catboy and Bastet go save the day!
maybe try the cat car first. Better for beginners. Oh, okay, never mind. So safety is very important. If you want to be fast, you need to stay in control. Why, my cat's whiskers, be careful! Always look ahead. See how the road curves.
Rolling pyramids! All I desire is the speediest speed!
I knew it! The car's kind of powerful for you. How about that one?
What? A kitten chariot? Meow. I want a real car! This car!
Look, it's not a kitten car, okay? It's a crazy cool go-kart, and it's super fun.
Never! Meow.
All I'm saying is you're still learning, and this car is more suitable for a learner. Just until you stop crashing into things.
Wow, bro, look at that! The cat cars! This is unfair! That is a baby car for babies! Time for a brilliantly engineered plan! I have one! I can be just as good of a driver as you! Meow!
Stop meowing at me.
I will meow if I want to! Prowling pyramids? Who are they?
Carly, Kartaka, what have you done?
Check out my new invention. It sucks cat speed! Now we have a kitten chariot and 2 toy cars.
But...
Bye! Zoom, zoom, zoom! To the sky!
My cat cars! This is a catastrophe!
It is unfortunate, but we will get your cat speed back. Chase them!
How? They went to Zoomzania, the land of speed, and we can't get there in toys. Although, by the power of speed.
Cat Stripe King!
Aw, great to see you again, buddy.
A magnificent magic cat. Greetings.
There's no time to lose. You drive the cart, no arguments. To Zoomzania!
For the pyramids of Meow! What is this marvel? Nice speedy kitty you got there. Not speedy enough, though. Meow! Those two are annoying. I'll catch them. Sun rise! Up. Hey, watch out! They're too fast to catch, even with the power of the sun.
Let's see how they handle the Cat Stripe King. Let's go! Super Cat Strike!
Incoming! Whoa! This is powerful! Yeah? Now let's try this! Time to shine!
I like Cat's whiskers!
Let's get more cat speed from the big kitty and the little kitty, too!
No! Stop! Help! Ugh.
Sorry. This started because you were busy teaching me to drive.
But if I had been more confident in you, just let you try, maybe I would have seen them.
Look at them. Ah! They are as fast as the mighty sun chariot. We could
can't go back. We're stuck in Zoomzania, and don't you need horses to pull it?
No, I used my sun disk.
Your sun disk. Hey, why don't you use that to power...
The kitty chariot. It was not made in ancient Egypt. Let me try. Sun disk, rise! By the claws of Cleopatra, it works! But there was only one seat.
I've got no cat speed. Hey, you know what? This is your driving lesson. You go. I'll give you some tips. Time to be power heroes. Okay, look ahead. See how the road curves? The key to speed is...
Control? Yes, I understand. I'm getting closer.
Yes, you are! But they're still too far ahead. I have an idea!
What idea?
No time to explain. You have to trust me. See that bend ahead?
Yes?
I want you to come off the track at full speed.
But I will crash.
No way! You're the best. Keep your paws on the wheel and bring yourself safely to a stop.
But what is the plan?
You'll see. Super Cat Stripes!
Yeah! Couldn't keep up with you, little sis. Yeah, we did it! Greetings, fellow racers. By the mummies of Meow, I have you! Yay!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Yeah! We did it!
You did it!
No fair! Come back with our cat speed!
We've got it, and it's time to use it. Both of us.
Really? Can I?
I think you learn how to drive, don't you?
I was taught by a master.
Let's go. Back to the city.
We'll outrace you one day, sleepy cats!
PJ Masks